Hello.
Hi, hello.
How are you?
How are you? I'm fine. What about
Th-
you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. I'm doing great. My name's Philip. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. My name is Ahmed.
All right, nice to meet you. And where are you from?
I am from Iraq.
Okay. And are you still in Iraq or are you somewhere else now?
No, I still live in Iraq.
Okay, okay. And how are things there?
Not well.
Not well? Oh
Uh,
no.
yeah, not well. You heard about the demonstration?
I have not. Are these recent demonstrations?
Yes, about 3 or 4 days.
Ah, anything about it yet?
Uh,
Um,
yeah.
let's
So
see.
so here it's not well, or it's not safe.
Not safe now. Oh no. I'm
Yeah,
sorry to hear that.
no,
Yeah. Yeah. Well, hopefully things will get better. I wish you the best.
thanks.
Yeah, of course. So, tell me a little bit about yourself. What do you do there?
Well, here I am. I live here in Iraq, especially in Baghdad city.
Okay.
Did you
Oh,
hear
so you're
about?
you're
Did you hear
yeah, you're
about Baghdad?
yes, of course I've heard about Baghdad. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I
Yeah,
see. So you're like right there in the
yeah.
middle of it all.
Yes.
I see.
Here when the here in Iraq, when demonstration is happened, the government is interrupted the internet service.
Mm.
Yeah, about 3 or 4 days, and
Oh.
it was so difficult because the the internet is help to communicate with other people.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
That's why. Ah, so that
It's
that's why like I see. So they're trying to shut down all the news and stuff. They don't want people to know.
yes. Shut down not only the internet. Uh, some TV channel and shut down to shut down the channels.
The TV channels too?
Yes,
Oh.
yes. Here is terrible. Let's talk about another thing.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
yeah, what's your job there?
I work in a computer shop.
Computer shop. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You
I
repair computers?
repair computer and sell accessories for computers.
Mhm. Mhm.
Yes, and I have a communication tower for internet service.
I see. I see. Okay. That's cool. Yeah, interesting. Yeah. Um, so do you have any plans to leave Iraq?
Mm, leave it at all or for a while?
Well, I mean, just like travel, or I mean, I don't know. Oh, what plans? Like, would you rather travel or would you rather move somewhere?
No, it's traveling. It's traveling
Yeah.
in the nearest country.
Oh, okay.
Just
Okay.
for yeah for a vacation.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Definitely. Definitely.
with my family and my kids.
Mhm. Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have a big family?
I have 3 kids.
Okay. How old?
Uh, the old one is 9, is a girl, and the young boy
Mm-hmm.
is 5, and the youngest one is boy 2, and old 2 years.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah,
Man, so that must keep you busy, huh?
always busy. My
Yeah.
my house like a kindergarten.
Like a kindergarten? Nice, nice.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe like a daycare or something like that.
Yes, of
Uh,
course. Yes, of course.
yeah, yeah. Interesting, interesting.
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you a little bit about myself.
Yes,
I am from the United States. Like I'm from Seattle,
yes.
and I was born and raised there. I grew up there and everything. And then I left 2 years ago, and I decided to travel. And I spent some time in Australia and most of my time here in the Philippines, which I'm talking to you from the Philippines now.
Uh-huh. Yes,
Yeah.
I watch your trial video. I heard
Ah,
the
yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah, I watch your trial video. So Philippines, how is the live here, there in Philippines? How is the
It's great,
weather?
man.
Oh,
Oh, the weather's it's okay. We're having some there's like a storm system here where I live now. So
yes.
there's like thunderstorms and rain. But
Oh, that's
you know,
awesome. I love rain.
yeah, right. But it's still very warm. So like 25 to 30 degrees still.
Uh-huh. The same here in Iraq.
It's
It's still
25 degrees?
it's 25? No, no, no. It's 43.
43?
Yes,
Wow. My
yeah,
gosh, that's so hot.
yes.
Oh man, that's too hot, man. That's too hot.
Too hot. Yeah,
Yeah.
and there is no rain yet.
Yeah. Does it rain? It doesn't rain very often, does it?
Maybe in the next month
Okay.
it start raining.
I see.
Yes,
Yeah.
and
Does it get cold? Does
no,
it get cold ever?
uh,
It never gets cold?
no, uh, in the month uh, in the Happy New Year.
In the mountains?
Yes, yes,
In the mountains, I
uh,
see.
yes,
I see. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Yeah. Well, my myself and my girlfriend and my family,
yes.
um, we are all going to a resort, like a, because like I live in the Philippines, so there's many beaches, lots of beaches around, many resorts and things like that. And tomorrow we will go to one of these resorts and we'll stay there for the weekend. But I think the weather might not be good, so it might be like thunderstorms and lightning.
Oh,
But it's okay. It's still a resort. It's still nice. Even if the ocean is too rough, we can swim in the pool.
huh. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
yeah, yeah. Very excited. Been looking forward to it for a long time.
But it's lovely when the sun is rise.
Yeah, yeah. So we'll be able to watch the sunset. Well, yeah, we'll be able to watch the sun set, but not watch the sunrise because we're on like the side of the island where it sets. So we're like here, the sun rises over here, right? So
Hmm.
we're here, it rises here and sets in front of us. So we can watch the sun set, but not the sunrise.
Uh-huh. Oh,
Yeah.
what time is it at you?
What time is it now?
Yes.
Almost 2:40 in the afternoon. 2:40 p.m.
2:40. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here in Iraq, 9:40 a.m.
9:40 a.m. So you're 5 hours behind.
Yes, yes,
Mm.
yes.
Okay. Yeah. So I have a question. Do people in Iraq stay up very late at night? Like, do people go to coffee shops really late and early in the morning?
Yeah. Stay about 2 p.m.
2
and
a.m. 2
yes,
a.m.
yeah, at 2 a.m. Yes, and some restaurant 24 hour.
24 hours.
Yes,
Wow. Yeah, because some of my other students are from Saudi,
yes,
and they tell me that people like to go out at night because they can't go out during the day because it's too hot.
yes. It's true.
Yeah. Yeah. And that I noticed that like a lot of my students, they call me by maybe 3 a.m. or 4 a.m.
Yeah.
Like their time, and it's like for classes, and I'm always surprised because it seems so early in the morning, but they're still awake from the night before.
Yeah. Yeah. Stay awake
Yeah, definitely.
from the
Talking
night.
about it, yeah, talking about it just made me yawn. Yeah. So what when we finish our class, what will you do for the rest of today? Like, what are your plans for today?
Go to visit friends.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, my friends, and after that I eat my lunch.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and come on back from the school. My children.
Yeah, definitely. Do you have work?
Uh, no, I'm not work tonight today in the morning. I'll work in afternoon.
Oh, okay. Okay, in the afternoon. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay. And how late will you work? What time will you be finished?
about 10 p.m.
10 p.m.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
10
That's
p.m. I
not too
finish.
late.
No,
Yeah.
no, not too late, not too late. Uh,
Yeah, yeah.
yes, yes.
Yeah. Um cool. Well, Ahmed, it was really great to meet you, and
Me too.
good good luck with your kindergarten house. Um
Thank you.
of course.
I hope
uh,
you. I hope you to have two.
yeah. Someday, not today though.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Goodbye, my friend. Take care.
Goodbye, Phil.
Take care.
Yeah, thank you.
See you.